Welcome, guys. I hope you all are doing good. Uh, s- Now we are going to start our new series of database, which is Oracle. So we'll be seeing everything about Oracle, like how we are going to understand its structure, architecture of Oracle, what are the processes in Oracle, how we create Oracle instance, and how we use Oracle in our production environments to and what are the things which can make our daily life easy for using Oracle. You can a DBA or anyone you can be, but while after watching these videos, you will be able to understand the Oracle easily. So first, we are going to start with architecture of Oracle. So Oracle architecture consists of two things. One is the database itself, where we are storing the everything, anything you need to store. That's the data, and the place where you're storing it. That's the database. Okay, so it consists of Oracle architecture consists of two things mainly, and we can call them as database and instance. So instance further has memory structure and background processes. We'll talk every single thing in detail in our next videos. So instance, it is a set of background process and a memory structure which constitute the shared global area and program global areas. Okay, so instance is, you can have more than one instance in RAC, a real application cluster. You can have more than one instance, more than one nodes for the Oracle instance. But at the same database on a one node, you can have more than one instance of the Oracle database. Each instance consists of background process and memory structure. Okay, so and the database, we can use Oracle or Postgre, MySQL. We use have all these technologies to store the data. So all those data stay stored in the databases. Okay, so memory structure here consists of share, SGA, PGA, shared global area, and program global area, and UGA, user global area as well. Okay, and the background processes include SMON, PMON, checkpoint, DB writer, log writer, PMAN, LREG, MMON, MMNL, RICO. We'll be discussing all the recovery process. Okay, so we'll be discussing all these background process, memory structure, includes shared global area, program global area, everything in detail in our next videos. Okay, so this was just a brief. I'll be starting uh, I'll be seeing you guys in the next videos where we are starting the memory structure of the Oracle. Okay, thank you. Seeing you in the next video.